Hi, my name is Simon Schmid, and I'm a speaker at the TÜV Austria Technology Days 2024. This video was generated by several AI systems: ChatGPT for text generation, XTTS for voice cloning, and Sad Talker for lip syncing. Only one photo and a voice sample was needed to create everything. Driven by a fascination for artificial intelligence, I decided to study machine learning and pursue my current field of research in AI certification. It's a fascinating area that will play a huge role in the future, as we are now in the Wild West days of AI and in desperate need for regulation and certification. My name is Simon Schmid, and I am living the future at Software Competence Center Hagenberg and TÜV Austria Group.